Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to back up, migrate, or share your Jira workflows with your team, today's video is exactly what you need. I'm going to walk you through the full updated guide on how to export a Jira workflow, step by step, clearly, and without skipping a single detail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export and reuse your workflows like a pro. So let's dive right in. First things first, what's a Jira workflow? In simple terms, it's the map of how your issues move from to do to done. It defines the statuses, transitions, and approvals that keep your project on track. And exporting it can be a game changer for backing up, cloning, or sharing your setup across projects or even entire teams. Once you're on your Jira dashboard, head to the top navigation bar and click on Your Work. This section lets you quickly access your assigned tasks and projects. It's your main hub for finding any issue connected to your workflow. Now choose any issue. It could be a task, story, or bug, because every issue in Jira is tied to a workflow. This is the best way to access the workflow behind that issue. Click Open to view the full issue details. Here you'll see information like the issue's status, assignee, and project. Double check that this is the workflow you want to export before moving on. If you have the right permissions, hit Edit Workflow. This opens the editable version, letting you inspect each element closely. Super important before exporting, so you know exactly what's being saved. Now, for the main part, exporting. You'll have two choices here. Export as XML. Choose this if you want to use the workflow outside Jira or import it into another system. XML is flexible and widely compatible. Export as workflow. Select this if you plan to reuse it within Jira. This keeps everything ready for direct import into another Jira project. Perfect for teams that want consistent setups. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Jira workflow. It's quick, practical, and something every Jira admin or project manager should know. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit likes, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover importing workflows next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.